In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money in Barclays online banking. We'll go from sign-in to confirmation, and I'll share helpful tips so you can move money with confidence. Start by heading to the official Barclays website in your browser and logging into your online banking. Make sure you're on the genuine site and that the padlock icon is visible so your connection is secure. Once you're signed in, look for the option labeled Pay or Payments. Depending on your view, it might appear in the top menu or on your main dashboard, but it always takes you to the place where you can make a transfer. Next, choose the account you want to send money from. If you have multiple accounts, like a current account and a savings account, select the one that holds the funds you want to use and check the available balance before you proceed. Now decide who you're paying. If you've paid this person or business before, simply select them from your existing payees. If this is a new recipient, choose Add New Payee. This is where you enter the new bank details. Type in the recipient's full name, their sort code, and their account number. Take a moment to carefully double-check each field. Sort codes are 6 digits, often shown as pairs, and a single mistyped digit can send money to the wrong place. So accuracy here is essential. After you've added or selected the payee, confirm the details so they're saved, then enter the amount you want to send. You can also add a reference. This is a short note that appears on the recipient's statement. Use it to explain what the payment is for, like rent or an invoice number. It can also help you recognize the payment later in your own transaction history. Before you send anything, review everything carefully. Confirm the payee's name, sort code, account number, the amount, and the reference. When you're happy that it's all correct, go ahead and confirm the payment. At this point, you may be asked to complete a quick security check. Follow the on-screen instructions. This could involve entering a code sent to your phone or approving the payment in your banking app. These checks protect your account and verify that the payment is authorized by you. And that's it, your transfer will be sent. Many payments arrive within minutes, though some can take a bit longer, depending on the receiving bank. Look for an on-screen confirmation so you know the payment has been submitted successfully, and consider keeping a note of the confirmation for your records.